Hello. uh, Again today we are going to talk about some programs, maybe simple and complex. We can say that combo. Sometimes we talk about the simple programs, sometimes complex. Okay. Yesterday we started discussion on that 2D array. Yes. Let's continue on that. Okay, now let's go for the input. Yesterday we learned that how to initialize the matrix of order 2 into 2. Today we are going to talk about how to go for the input and how to print them. Let's copy same program here. Going to make a new file. So let's take the maximum order here, size 200 and size 200. Let's remove this part, constant value. So this is the size. Yes, what we can do, we can also define all these sizes, rows and columns, with the defined constant. Let's put define here. Okay. Here the maximum size we are going to take for the matrix is a row 200 and the column 200. Yes, this is the maximum size, but of what size we want to enter, we'll be inputting there. Okay, let's give the input here. After that we need two loops, one for the row and next for the column. Yes, let's go with the input. First, number of rows and number of columns. This is row and this is column. That's all. Yes, and let's put here 0 to 199. Yes, okay, it would be better. Now let's go for input, and for the input what we have to do there, since this outer loop it is for the row, and for that we have to put R here. Yes, and if the R is suppose 3, it means it starts from 0, 1, 2. Yes, so we have to do there R minus 1. Similarly for the column, if the column is 3, suppose 3 means it always starts from 0, then 1, then 2. So we have to put here C minus 1. Yes, so that's all. And after that we have to go for the input. Let's give the input statement here. Okay, input done there. We don't need this one. Let's remove this. Okay, yes, means input statement we have already done there using this one. After that we need to put the printing statement. Again we have to copy this part. Loop remains same here. Yes, after that we don't need scanf. Remove this part from here. Here we don't need this string. Let's keep here telling spaces 5. Let's keep the name of array, that is A, then location from here. For the next line let's put printf. That's all, nothing more we have to do here. Okay, let's save it. Let's input the values here. Enter rows and columns. Yes, let's enter 3 for the rows and columns 2. Okay, that's it. Enter elements for the location 0 0. Obviously for this is as from 0 0, and let's keep 12. 13. So it is having some problem. Let's see what is the problem here. Okay, sorry, we wrote extra specifier, and one thing is there, we have not used this define constant value. Yes, so it would be better if we use here row and here same column. Okay, now it would be better. Let's rerun the program. Let's keep 3 and 2. Okay, so for location 0 0, that is 45, suppose 0 1 56, for 1 0 1 2, 1 1 77, 2 0 87, 2 1 90. Okay, we can see here we have got all the elements in the same column here. Yes, so what we need here, we forgot okay, I think it is okay here. Okay, here we have used the slash n, so it is creating problem. 2 times slash n we have used there. So what we need here, only once we have to put. So why it was displaying the output in different lines. Okay, here is the matrix we can see here. So this is how we can display the matrix, and we can create the matrix, and nothing more we have to do there. Somewhere formatting is needed, and somewhere the inputs and outputs we have to manage ourselves. So I think he wants to robot this one. Similarly, we can also create 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, yes, and so on. Okay, now let's cover the next program here. Now let's write a program in which we print only the diagonal elements of given matrix. Okay, let's write again from the beginning. So going to close this one, let's close this one, let's create a new file. Let's give an example here. Yes, we are going to print diagonal elements. So diagonal means either it can be this, this, or it can be this, and this. Yes, let's do one, and then in similar way we can do another. Okay, how to write? Let's go for hero file first. Main function, let's declare an array. Size is 3. Let's keep size 3 here. Let's go for input. Let's write scanf here. Okay, we have done input. Finish here. We have done input here. Now what the question is saying that we have to print the only diagonal elements. Yes. Now let's think for a while how to print these all diagonal elements. This, or this. Again, let's go for the loop here, and let's copy this part. Okay, now again let's look at the question. So first is this, what is the location? What is the location of this one? It is 0. Yes, and what is the location of row? 0. Means if the row and column the location is same, means it is 0, 0. Yes, similarly for this 5, let's think for a while. For this 5, what is the location of row and column? Row is 1. Yes, this entire, you say that row, it has a name that is 1. Means what is the row name of this 5? 1. Yes or no? And what is the name of column? It is also 1. Means if the row name and the column name it is same, then you have to print it. Similarly for this one, what is the row name? 2. Yes or no? And what is the column name? 2. So we have to print 9. Let's put if structure inside the loop to print it. It means ing, it is for row. Yes, if the row and column they are same, they have same value, yes, means 0 0, then 1 1, then 2 2, then what we have to do? We have to print the values. Okay, let's save it. That's all. Now let's run the program. If any bug comes, we'll see that. Okay, we'll do the correction. So asking for the values here. Yes, okay. Let's go for the input. Let's give here same value as we have considered here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So look here. So have we got the 159? Yes, we have got 1, then 5, then 9. That's all. Nothing more we have to do there. Yes. Now it is printing in same line. Yes or no? Yes. So for that, what we can do there? If it is this, then print it. If it is not, we can put else part here. Let's put only space here. Let's save it. Let's again give the values. Look here, are we getting the 159? Yes and no? So simply we can put if and else structure inside the loop. If the condition is matching, it prints that. If the condition did not match, then it prints only blank spaces. That is this printf, nothing more. So we get as given here in the matrix 159. That's all. Similarly for the next diagonal, like 3 5 7, again we have to think. So what could be the logic here? 3 5 7. Think for a while. So what could be the logic here? Think for a while. Okay, let's think for a while. 3. What is the row name? 0. Yes or no? And what is the column name? 0, 1, 2. Means row is smaller than column. Now next is 5. What is the row name? 1. Yes or no? This is 1. So this is row 1. What is the column name? So 0 then 1. Means row or column, they may be equal to each other. Yes or no? Now next is 7. So in the case of 7, what is the row name? 3. Yes or no? Yes. Row name is 3. And what is the column name? 1. Yes. Now what logic is we can apply such that we get 3, 5, 7. So look for the 3 ones. So 0 plus 0, 1, 2. Yes. So 0 plus 2, 2. We are going to 2 here. Now next is here this one. This one is here. Row is 0, 1 and the column is 0, 1. Means 1 plus 1, 2. Again we have to get 2. And next is here for 7. Row is 0, 1, 2 and the column is 0. Means when we sum the row's name and the column's name, we get 2. So that logic we have to apply. If the I plus j is 2, then we have to print this. That's all. So that is the logic we can apply here. So I hope you also work this one. In tomorrow's session, again tomorrow we'll be talking about this one. In tomorrow's session we'll be talking some more this type of questions related to matrix, and we'll understand step by step. So thank you for joining me. Tomorrow again at 3 o'clock we'll be talking about some more such type of programs. Okay. If you think it was helpful, just follow me. So hit the subscribe button. Okay. If you have already understood this, then fine there. You may share this video with your friends who has keen interest to learn the programming. Okay.